Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, then hi, my name is Katie, and today's video is a Dollar Tree haul. I know it's been a long time since you guys have actually seen my face. I've been doing a lot of makeover videos and cleaning videos, so if you haven't checked those out, then definitely take a look in my description box and check those videos out. So I'm just gonna get started. I initially went for just some cotton swabs and Band-Aids at Dollar Tree, but I can't help myself and I have to get my kids stuff, so I got 3 of these, and they're actually outside playing with the smaller bubbles, and it's the off-brand and it's a 3-pack, so they're not working very well. So I got 3 of these. I got this one and a red one and a green one for my girls, and then I got these. They are little water squirters. Yeah, that's a little bit too much fun. So I got 2 of these. Just kidding. This one's for my son, my 11-year-old, and this one's for my 7-year-old daughter. And I got 2 of these for my 2 and my 3-year-old. I got a yellow one and a red one. And this one actually had a little bit of water in it whenever I bought it, so that was fun. So then, of course, I got my Band-Aids. I got 3 different kinds. I got one for the bathroom upstairs, one for the bathroom downstairs, and then one to keep in my purse because I had an accident when I went to Walmart, or an injury, I guess you would say, and I sliced my pinky toe on the buggy and I stained my brand new sandals. That was my first time wearing them ever. I got them from Kohl's like a month ago, and it was my first time wearing them today. Anyway, so I got some Band-Aids. So I'm gonna keep these in my purse, the clear waterproof Band-Aids. And then I will keep these in my bathroom, just some colorful ones. And the emoji ones I will keep in my kids' bathroom. And here are the cotton swabs that I got, 350 count. I got this pack of door stoppers. It's a 2-pack, so 2 for $1. I figure wouldn't be bad. Our bedroom door stays open half the time, and we have to prop it open with like a purse or a diaper bag or a tennis shoe or whatever. So I figured I would try one of these and see how they worked. I got 2 of these. If you saw my Dollar Tree haul a couple of months ago, you may have seen that I had the pink and purple flowers, and my 2-year-old broke 2 of them, or actually she kind of broke all of them. So I got these 2 to replace the 4 that I got. I only got 2, I didn't get 4. And I got, here you go, do you want this? Here, do you want this? Here, that's yours. So I got a dry erase marker because my 2-year-old has torn apart my other 2 that I had. I got some little floss sticks, and these don't have the little sharp pointer things unless you make it, like unless you bend that little piece back. So I got these, it's a 25 count, because we needed floss, and I like these. I love using these little rubber bands for my girls, and I'll use them sometimes for myself, not too much. No, but I like it because it's like neutral colors, and it's white, black, brown. I think it's black. Maybe it's just white, brown, and like tan color. So 500 count for $1. You can't beat that. And then paper plates, because I have people coming into town again, and I like to have paper plates because the other day I had 16 people. I had 16 people in my house, and doing dishes for that many people was a lot. I literally ran my dishwasher twice a day. And last but not least, I'm so excited about these. So they had these gray bins at the Dollar Tree. I got 2 of them like this. I'm really excited that they have gray. I wish that they would have had more to choose from, but I think that they had been picked through so many. And then I got these right here, this style. I like these. I like it because they're flexible and they can bend and move in different parts, like of your house, like in your closet, on your closet shelves, like linen closet or anything like that, or just anywhere. And I think my Band-Aids are dumped out now. So anyway, I think that was it. I also got 2 little notebooks because my 3-year-old and my 7-year-old love notebooks. So I got them a little bitty notebook to write in and draw. And I got my son some football cards. I got him 2 packs of football cards. He loves to collect those. So I think that was all I got from there. I stayed under $30, so that was good. Bless you. Bless you. Excuse the way I look. I know I have on makeup and everything, but sorry I'm all like shiny and everything. I've been outside, I've been shopping, I've been sweaty. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button. And I will see you at my next video. Bye guys.